Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard. Dairy Queen. It's brand new. I think probably limited edition. Summer lineup they have normally. First time I heard about it. Let's see what it tastes like. Good animal cookie in it. The ice cream is not. I don't know. It's not strawberry. It's not vanilla. I don't know what the taste is, but it's pretty good. What I rate these, I probably give this 9 out of 10. Definitely 9 out of 10. I give 9 out of 10. It's good. It's pretty good. I like it. I get 9 out of 10. Anyway, comment, like, and subscribe. Keep watching my videos. Next time, guys. Peace.